Let's now look at the security aspect of the website, that is HTTP and HTTPS. So I think earlier also I showed this. When you develop the website and if you get into this is without HTTPS, without the security, and if you click on this, it gives your connection of this site is not secure. Don't share password, credit card details, because that is not encrypted. When you send out the message, you are supposed to encrypt, and this is a recent concept gaining momentum. Last few years, they want all the earlier you will not have, about a decade back it is not so. Just type in HTTP, it should go through. But now even Google says that it promotes only the sites with HTTPS, not with HTTP. If you're not, in our case, I mean, if you're just doing a simple website without any login by the customers, or if you don't ask for any credit card detail, this should suffice. HTTP should suffice. But generally, having something like this on your website could scare whoever browses to your website, unless they go through it and see what it is. Otherwise, it shows, since generally when you type in HTTP website, it will say not secure. So that is where people without understanding will think twice, why so, and probably they will get out of your site. So to do away with that, yeah, you need to have a HTTPS site which has a lock in front of it, and it says, if you say it, the connection is secure. This is particularly when you have some login information, or you're asking for any credit card information. This is said to be more secure, HTTPS. So yes, you can procure the security aspect, that is HTTPS, from your hosting provider. They should be in a position to provide the details, but it is costed somewhere about anywhere between $10 to $20 they cost you per annum. But there is it's possible to get it freely, and that's what we are going to look at, how to get that freely. So we'll get into the presentation just to understand what it is all about, and then we'll get into a website which offers this facility free of cost. But of course, some install needs to be made, some configurations needs to be made before it is made up and running. So let's see what is HTTP and HTTPS. So the difference, HTTPS is a HTTP plus encryption. I mean, when you send out the data, it is encrypted, meaning it is packaged and sent it out so that hackers will not be in a position to get through the encrypted message and understand it. So that is where encryption is important. So only difference between the two protocol, HTTPS uses SSL to encrypt the normal HTTP request and response. So what is TLS? That is transport layer security. It's widely adopted security protocol designed to facilitate privacy and data security for communication over the internet. So from a block diagram perspective, this is HTTP. So just information is sent across, whereas in case of HTTPS, it is encrypted. It is something like instead of having a open letter, you have a content, and that is put inside the envelope and sent across. So similarly, so that when it gets transmitted, the others will not be in a position to view it.